For part 4, we're going to do the staple press, which is this little piece in here. So from here you can see that it's 15 by 22 and 1.5 deep. So we'll start with the rectangle by center, lock the plane, 22, tab, 15 and 0 rotation, and escape. If I double click the mouse wheel, you'll see that it will fit to screen, and then I can key in a 1.5 drop on there. So for the slots, I'm going to create them with the slot command. First one here is 3 mil long, 8.5 by 2.75 from the edge. So if I come and lock to the top plane, and dimension this, so this wants to be 3, and 8.5 to the midpoint, and 2.75 from the edge. And the second one is 1.6 from the edge and 2.75. So I've drawn that line to size, so I don't have to adjust the dimensions. This I think was 1.6 and 2.75 from the edge. So I'm only going to do these two because they are symmetric, so I will mirror those two around afterwards. So if we go to the slot command, the slot is 1 mil wide and rounded end. So we'll go into the options here. Slot width of 1, arc end will give me the 0.5 mil, and it is 1 mil deep. So I can just type that in, do the same for the other one, and then we've got a 0.35 rad on the top and bottom corners. So if we go to the round command, I've got it set to chain, so it should pick up off that immediately. So 0.35, get the bottom edge as well, and I can do this one at the same time. Right mouse click to finish, and then if I select these two together, so holding the control key down allows me to select both. I can then go to the mirror command and choose the plane here, and finally we have a 2 mil rad on the corners. So if I click up on that edge there, change the value to 2, hit the tab key rather than the enter, it leaves me in the command, and I can go around and pick all 4 together. So that completes the press